All right, I got my Flybird ab machine, as you can see right here. I just got off work, so every day I'm supposed to do 100 crunches with my new Flybird machine right here. All right, so here we go. 100 crunches. This thing reads your calories. You got timing and it counts on how many abs you do. So every day I get from work, I gotta do my crunches. So I'm gonna get to it. I got 100. That's the count. Let's get it, baby. That's 18. Whoa. Sure. It's 29. Hey. Coming out the shirt. Coming out the shirt, baby. I'm in my work clothes. Thirty-seven. 37. 44. Gotta get that gut right.